Yeah. How you guys doing today? How you guys doing today? It's me, Ant on the Go-Go. I'm back. I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back, Do my dance, How you guys doing? I'm back. I'm about to show you guys an inside. Well, I'm about to show you that I got a sale. I'm about to ship this out. But shout out to my customers. I love you. I love all my customers. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, Ant on the Go-Go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. And I'm doing this, a quick review. You know what I'm saying? On the Starbucks cup, Stanley. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know. And yeah, honestly, it's a great tumbler cup. I can't front. You know what I'm saying? You could put a whole lot in it. I heard that it survived. It survived through the worst condition. You know what I'm saying? Like if you had this, it would last a long time. You know what I'm saying? So, I seen it in a burning car or whatever, and it survived. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? So it's metal. So you got the metal, and the inside. What I love about it, if you look, you see. So if you could put tea in here and it will stay hot. You could put tea in here and that's dope. And yeah, you could drink, it's really versatile. And the thing I love about it, when you're moving around, it had the handle, You see this one, I kind of broke the handle, so I don't have a handle anymore. I got to get one, but yeah. This one is really, really perfect. And the thing I love about it too, you can use this too as well. Really, or you can take it off if you want. And oh, this pink, okay. This is dope. So this is a Starbucks Stanley X Valentine Day Tumbler Cup. And how I got this, it was a release, Target had it, first come, first serve. You had to wake up like 4 in the morning and you had to wait until 11 a.m. until they open. Yeah, it was epic. It was epic. I'm going to show you the video in the clip where people was going crazy, Rambo, crazy for this shit. But I'm like, damn, why they going hard? It's just a cup, right? It's just a Stanley cup, right? I mean, hey, let me know if it's really that serious to go that hard, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this came out, I had a couple more. I'm going to show you in the video that I had other colors, I had other colors. But yeah, this color, I really like it. It's really dope, for the 2024. And yeah, people was fiending, pushing. When the store opened, Target, you had to run under. You had to run under the barricade. You had to run under the barricade, run to the register and grab. You had to literally grab the cup like, wow. You see it? What? Whoa, I grabbed that shit and I started booking. I ducked. Oh, shit. Ran, duck, whoa. Oh. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's what happened. You know what I'm saying? This shit was that wild for this cup. That wild. People was fighting. I was ducking. I was like, oh. Boom. I was ducking. You know what I'm saying? Shit was crazy for this cup. Crazy. I'm telling you guys. So, but you know what it is? I love releases like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it really pushes me to really, you know what I'm saying? It pushes me, and yeah, you could put your mind to anything, and you could achieve it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what happened. And this cup was selling for like $10,000. 10K. 10K, this was selling for 10K. It was selling for the high on eBay. First day, selling is still going for the high, you know what I'm saying? So I guess that's why people was going crazy. But yeah, $50. $50, and you can make 10K. $50. I ain't gonna say too much on how much you can make and all that stuff. I don't really get into like prices and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I want to show you that, guys, that you can get it. You know what I'm saying? Anything make money. You know what I'm saying? You could get a cup like this and make money, or you can get a sneaker like this and make money, you know what I'm saying? Or you have a game like this, you know what I'm saying? Anything make money nowadays. Or if you don't collect games or sneakers, even stones. You know what I'm saying? These nice crystals, these nice stones, you can make, you know, good profit and stuff like that. And I'm here to teach you guys. I'm here to show you guys that anything you touch, you know, look at it as $1. You know what I'm saying? Anything you touch, see if you can, you know what I'm saying? So, and I love this release, you know what I'm saying? This is a dope release. And I like it for the women, you know what I'm saying? For the women, yeah. To all the ladies, I got you. Let me know if you want one, ladies, you know what I'm saying? I'll get you one. And maybe for the ladies, I'll do a giveaway for you guys. All you ladies have to do, just make sure you ladies subscribe, comment, and then, you know what I'm saying, I got you. But yeah, ladies. Yeah, guys, so this is the cup, you know, the Stanley Valentine's Day Starbucks. And yeah, I love this color. This color is amazing. It's amazing for a gift, you know, for a girl, any woman, mainly your mom, whatever, your aunt. You know, this is a perfect gift. And this pink cup, oh my God, was so limited, but it looks so nice. I wanted to show you guys a close-up view on the cup, because you got to see this in the sunlight. Oh my God. You could take it to the beach. You could take it on the airplane. You could take it in the car. You could just, it's great for traveling. You know what I'm saying? It's a perfect product, you know, for your, you know, if you're thirsty when you're on the go, it's perfect. So yeah, great investment. Make sure you get your Starbucks Stanley Cup. Great. I cannot tell you guys enough. And yeah, guys, you know, it's been a long journey getting this cup, but I got it. But let me know your thoughts. Please comment, like, subscribe, you know, if you love cups, if you love, you know, the video. And yeah, guys, I'm going to continue. But yeah, I love this cup. Oh, man, I'm probably going to get myself a blue one, honestly. There's a blue one that's releasing soon, 2 weeks from now. So stay tuned. I'm going to do that video, of course. But yeah, oh my God, look at this. All right, happy Valentine's Day, early Valentine's Day. I already know. Yeah, I'm about to head out right now. I'm about to go ship out, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. Thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts if you like the cup. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you, you know, more insight on how it looks. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy your day. Happy 2024. Let's get it. And always remember, I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. Let me know. I got many different fits. I got many different kicks. And I got many different games. I could definitely step your game up. You know what I'm saying? If you need something, let me know. And yeah, over and out. Enjoy your day.